Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to compress PDF file on any mobile. Now, as you can see, we currently have a PDF file and the size of the PDF file is 1.48 MB. Now, to compress the size of the PDF file, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now, in the search bar, just search I love PDF. Then open this link and select Compress PDF. Then tap on Select File and select the PDF file which you want to compress. Select Compress PDF. Now, as you can see, it has compressed the size of the PDF file and it has automatically downloaded the compressed file on our smartphone. Now, if it did not automatically download the compressed PDF file on your smartphone, just tap on Download Compressed PDF. Now, since it automatically downloaded the compressed PDF file on our smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Files app on your smartphone. And as you can see, it has compressed the size of the PDF file from 1.48 MB to 327 KB. And this is how you can compress PDF files on any mobile. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.